Now, you might be wondering, if this reset is coming, shouldn't we just sell everything and wait? That's exactly the wrong approach. Remember, we're not facing a deflationary crash where cash becomes king. We're facing an inflationary environment where cash becomes trash. The winners in this environment are the people who front run the collapse by owning scarce assets that can't be printed away. Assets like Bitcoin, digital scarcity that governments can't manipulate. Gold, the oldest form of hard money, prime real estate in desirable locations. Businesses with real cash flow that can rise with inflation, even collectibles and other stores of value outside the traditional monetary system. Meanwhile, the losers are the ones sitting in cash, hiding in government bonds, or thinking they're playing it safe with diversified portfolios that won't keep up with the real rate of monetary debasement. This is why the recent performance of different asset classes tells such a clear story. Bitcoin's 180% gain isn't a speculative bubble, it's a flight to safety from currency debasement. Gold's 95% surge isn't irrational exuberance. It's a return to sound money principles. Even the strong performance of certain stocks reflects money seeking refuge from currency instability. The massive inflows into these assets aren't driven by greed or speculation. They're driven by fear. Fear that the foundation of the financial system is cracking. And that fear is completely rational. But here's what most people don't understand. This process is still in its early stages. We're seeing the initial phases of capital flight from currency and government bonds into real assets. As more people wake up to what's happening, this trend will accelerate dramatically. The challenge is that once this process reaches a tipping point, it becomes a self-reinforcing cycle. As more people lose confidence in the currency, they move into real assets, which drives prices higher, which attracts more capital, which further undermines confidence in the currency. Eventually, this becomes a full-blown currency crisis. This is why timing matters so much. The people who position themselves correctly before the crowd catches on will see massive wealth creation. Those who wait until it becomes obvious will find that asset prices have already moved far beyond their reach.